It is a pleasure to serve you. Forward to seeing you again.
Very tangy, very nice. The beef is just perfectly cooked and it tastes amazing. Very creamy, very soft, just the way you like it.
I think every girl wants this. मैं कभी मेरी even with my sisters, one wants a flower bouquet, I wanted a coffee, the other wanted a book. So we would go to all these different places. So I wanted to just mix it together.
आज हम आपको एक ऐसी जगह लेकर आए हैं which is not just your regular cafe. यहाँ पे आपको खाने पीने और कॉफ़ी के साथ साथ मिलेगा flowers, books and another special thing. Come, I'll show you. And the best part is we are greeted by this little guy.
Lahore's cafe scene has given us all kinds of creative spaces, book corners, flower-filled cafes, board game spots, and so much more. But at Trio, it all comes together under one roof. Books, flowers, and now a robot. 3 worlds on different floors, all in one place.
It is a pleasure to serve you. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you again.
It's Miss Robots actually. हम इसके अंदर talking element add करेंगे. If you come here and you're like, I don't know what I want to eat, you just go to the robot, you say, what do you recommend? I'm feeling this, or the weather is cold, what should I get? The robot will tell you in the same tone that you should try this, you should try that. तो आप एक interactive conversation उसके साथ कर सकते हो. I wanted innovation in Lahore. जब ये आया था, we could not get it cleared through the customs because इसका कभी barcode बना ही नहीं है. So it was the first time the barcode ever was made for a robot for Pakistan. A place where they can just, for couples especially, I wanted कि वो flowers भी ले सके, वो books भी दे सके, and they can have like a nice date. For just single girls to just be able to get one flower cup, greeted by a rose, and then look around for the books, a nice space for coffee, and if they want food, they get nice fine dining sort of a food. तो इस तरह की चीज़ें, and a lot of people, families come here with little kids just to see the robot. That's what I like. Like it's bringing younger generation and older generation together also to see something new that's in Lahore.
अब हमारा सबसे favorite part जो है खाना. So we have the tomato basil soup. We have the trio slider. It looks very fancy, so I'm very excited to try this. And this is beef involtini with mushrooms. I don't know what that is, but let's try it out. I'm very excited. Very tangy, very nice. Tomato taste is very perfect. Nice bread also, very fresh. Okay, so now we're trying the trio slider. Very fancy colors. So obviously I'm going to take the red one. Very nice, very nice. The beef is just perfectly cooked. It's not very dry. It's juicy also. And it tastes amazing. And the cheese, it has cheese. Anything with cheese is amazing. Now we're trying the beef involtini. Let's see how it is. With mushrooms. Very interesting. It's not your typical beef, but it does give you the fine dining experience. यहाँ इसके अंदर ना filling हुई है मज़े की, and the temperature of the beef is just right.
टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा था, टेस्ट बहुत गुड, एंड मतलब कि सर्विसेज बहुत अच्छी थी. डूइंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर इन फूड एंड बेवरेजेस, सो काफ़ी चीज़ें साथ साथ सीखने को ही मिलती है. सो वेन एवर पीपल वुड कम, द फ्लावर्स वर देयर बट दे थॉट इट वाज जस्ट अ डिस्प्ले. वी हैड टू लाइक टेल देम एंड एजुकेट देम कि ये हम लोगों ने फॉर सेल लगाया हुआ है. तो वो हम लोगों ने मार्केटिंग के थ्रू एडिंग नियॉन साइंस सो यू कैन परचेज इट. तो फिर वो चीज़ें काफ़ी चीज़ें बीच में से मिस आउट हो जाती हैं, विच यू हैव टू जस्ट एजुकेट कि यहाँ पे सब कुछ ही मिल रहा है. सो दे थिंक दैट दे कैन ओनली रीड बुक्स नॉट बाय, बट इट्स ऑल फॉर परचेज. everything here. It's just they get excited. It's the very nice pure reaction that we get out of them. It's the kids get very excited, they want to pet the robot replies back, and for older people, teenagers and above that, they're just like, it should have been here all along, like हमारे पास होना चाहिए था ये. So it's a proud moment for everybody.